It's always a great day when you get a new package from Southern Lumen. I want to give a huge shout out to Southern Lumen for sponsoring this video and sending me out everything that is in this box. So let's get it started. Let's cut this open, cut this open, cut this open, and cut that open. Let's open it up. Just like that. We got 1, 2, 3 Southern Lumen koozies. We got a hat that I'm definitely going to be wearing. We got a whole bunch of wire. We got 1, 2, 3 bottle openers. We got a sticker and we got a lanyard. But here's the really good part. As you guys can see, all these packages are rock lights. So let's take them all out real quick and let's count them all out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. And I already have 4 of these 9-chip LEDs on the truck already. So that means we have 36 9-chip LEDs. We also got 1, 2, 3, and 4 of their 36-chip LEDs. So we have them all pulled out. That is a lot of fucking rock lights. And like I said, I do have 1 Southern Lumen in each wheel well. This one I just painted blue. But those are the same rock lights as these. So that means I will have 40 Southern Lumen rock lights lighting up this big ass F-150. Y'all thought that shit was bright before with my Amazon rock lights. Y'all just wait till I get 40 of them hoes on this truck. Now we have all 40 rock lights that are gonna be going on this truck right here. Now we just gotta take them and install them all. We have to start by taking out this wheel well with this out. Pop that down. Pull those off. And all these main wires are getting taken off and not being used. Flip that one there. Clip that one there. Clip that one there. And we're going to be taking those last 2 off so we can start putting the new ones in. We're going to be drilling 2 new holes for this valve there. bolt, put it through, run the washer and the nut on the other side, and start to tighten it down. They are lock washers, or lock nuts, so I am going to have to put a wrench on the back side, but that's okay, because that means you know it won't come undone. Plenty of extra wire, just to be safe. And let me take this one, do the same thing, put it through the hole. Flip it over, put the nut on the back side. Start to tighten it down. So now that we have the first one on, we're going to put 2 of the 9-chip LEDs, one right there and one right there. We are now going to be putting one 9-chip right here, one 9-chip right there. So we'll have one 36 and 2 9s. So let's start with this one right here. Feed this one through the hole, just like so. Push it all the way down and in. You're gonna feed this through. Put it through. Push it all the way in. We're going to come to the back, put another one of the washers and nuts on the back. Start tightening it down to where we want it. Back it off. I wanted it in line more with the other one a little bit, so that's why I moved. Like a nut on the back. And then do the same thing for one more right here, which is push this through. Bolt it there. Right there and right there. We now have 2 9s and 1 36 in the front wheel well. Now I just got to do that to the other 4 wheel wells, but I'm not going to show you guys that because it's going to be repetitive every time. I'm going to catch back up with you guys either when I'm done with the wheel wells or I'm starting the ones underneath the body. We got them all mounted in. Now all we got to do is wire them together and then into the truck. We're going to be forgetting about this wire and this wire. You guys saw I already have these 3 in. I have those 3 in. I ran 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have 1, 2, 3. So now I'm about to do the back and underneath, and then the passenger side, and then the front. So they're not all fully wired in yet, but you can see it's fucking bright over there. Difference. Ready? Fucking spaceship. Holy, and they're not all even wired in yet. Front wheel light isn't even hooked up either yet, and it's a fucking spaceship. Still have a few more on the back, and then the front, and then the front wheel well, and then the front wheel light. But this is how it's looking so far. Honestly, no shadows whatsoever, and it looks like a fucking spaceship. I still gotta hide all the wires and everything, as you can see. But got the big rock lights in and the small rock lights in. It shines all the way over here. I still need to do the fronts and one more on the back, and then that wheel light, and then hide away all the wires. Oh, every single light is wired in. I added 4 of the Amazon rock lights to it to make it 44. Now I just gotta tie up all the wires, and this is how it looks. It looks like a fucking spaceship now. Like, it is so fucking bright. There's not a single dark spot underneath this truck now. I gotta sit under here and zip tie all the wires up. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to put all the tubing on it and heat shrink all the things down, because it's dark and I gotta go somewhere soon. But as long as we tie it up, everything should be fine. When I tell you guys this is a fucking spaceship, I meant it. This shit is so fucking bright. It's insane. So I just wanted to thank you guys for watching, and I wanted to give another huge shout out to Southern Lumen for sending me out these rock lights. Make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned, and stay tuned for the next video.